Hello! Welcome back! It's me. Kumusta? Today we are heading to Ian's favorite store because this is the day. This is the day. This is the day we're gonna buy the mower.
Yeah.
Gonna buy the mower.
Yeah, break it out.
So finally, we're gonna buy a mower today. We're gonna get a push lawn mower. So we saved for this. So this is it.
Is it?
Yeah.
We say put it.
We say por it. Anyway, we'll see you guys inside the store because I know someone's gonna go crazy. And I think he's gonna spend what I gave him.
I hope I break the card.
Did you?
I think it is.
I think you're doing it on purpose, man.
Not to break my card?
Yeah.
I think, I don't know. I think I forget that. Don't ano the side mirror because I cannot see the side mirror.
I'm sorry. Okay, see you guys later inside. Bye. Okay, let's time him. The time right now is
6:12.
okay. Your time starts now. Boom.
My gun.
Where's your gun? Wow, show your gun. Wow, gee.
I'm going to build a cabinet.
Igat.
You're so mean. Aloha everyone, welcome to another vlog. Ian here, Ode is working and you're watching. I'm not shaving. My battery is low but shit. Alright, take two because my battery is low bat. I mean the camera died on me. Alright, so welcome to another vlog. I haven't vlogged for so long because I am working 5 days in a row, 8 hours in a week. No, 5 days in a week, 8 hours in a day. So that's one of the reasons I haven't vlogged for like 5 days. But anyway, so it's my day off and it's a vlogging time. And right now it's a perfect time to do gardening or lawn. Whoa, try look that plane. That's so huge. Anyway, camera. If you don't know, I am living here in the airport. And you know already, if you live in Seattle or Seattle area or South King County, noise pollution is all over here, like planes, trains, whatsoever. But anyway, I'm heading in my garage and I just want to show you what is my garage look like. Here you go. So from here to there, that one I removed the pegboard because it's old and I don't know what to do on that wall. I probably put a drywall on that thing. Our shoes before, that's a rigid vacuum, so it has a 4 gallon and 5 horsepower pickup. So this is dry and wet. I used to clean my our car with this one, and also, you know, if you have some issues in your bathtub, you could use that one, suck that thing right there. So this is a mower, a Troy-Bilt TB130 XP. Alright, so we just bought that one, and right here is my garden tools and stuff. So this is a weed whacker, blower, trimmer, rake, and yeah, you know what is that. So right here I changed, before I put here over here, it's been placed here, but I moved over here. And how come this thing is still here? It's just a board. I just to put some pin on it. Anyway, so that's my for demolition job, like, you know, cutting some walls. Oh man, how come? So anyway, so this is my tools. This is a shelves. I just made this, or not made, I bought this thing and I just saw it from Lowe's. And this one serves my table for now because I don't know what to do and I don't have a budget for that. Try look this phone. I saw this phone at the yard and I don't know, still intact. I don't know if it's still working, but it's sitting there for 5 years. No, I'm just kidding. This is one of my GoPro stuff, but I don't know why it's here. So probably that's it for my organization stuff, garage tour. So I am excited to do the mower thing, and let's make this interesting. Yeah. Alright, that's a good exercise. I need water. Look at the plate. Where is it? You can't see it, right? It's getting hot now, and I don't know if I should continue because it's so hot. But look at that. I just mowed that backyard and I'm so exhausted already. Anyway, so this is my backyard looks like. If you don't know what is this is a flower of a garlic. This is a garlic right here. So the other day I took it out. I know it's a garlic. Smells nothing. And right here is a flower called the devil's tongue. Is it the devil's tongue? And this one right here is a daisy, but as you can see, it's almost dying because of the heat. This one right here is a Dusty Miller. And this one once again is a crocosmia means devil's tongue. This flower is a dahlia. Look how pretty it is. Dahlia. Oh my gosh, the bees. And this one, I don't know what kind of flower is this. If you know, let me know at the comment section below. And over here we have a red rose. No, not red rose. Yeah, is it red and pink rose? Ooh, it's almost dying, and that's a tulip festival. I don't know. But yeah, I'm so exhausted, and I'll continue gardening stuff. See ya. Alright guys, I'm so exhausted. I did our front lawn. I basok the I cultivate the land. I don't know what's the English term of basok, but yeah, I removed some weeds and I'll show you. So right here, I take out the weeds and I plan to put the mulch on this side, but yeah, so far that's my front lawn. And then over here, shucks, I'm tired with this kind of weeds, those kinds, because try look, the roots travel underneath in the soil and it is very hard to how do you call this, to take it out, because it's underneath and it's interconnected. I don't know what kind of weeds is that, but having hard time. Whew. But so far that's my gardening 101, and like what I always say, mabuhay and aloha, bye bye.